जब आपने अपनी रानी कुर्बान की तो मैंने सोचा आप गलती कर बैठे, लेकिन अब समझ में आया वो एक सोची समझी चाल थी।
मतलब बाजी जीतने से है। कमांडर रुस्तम पावरी, इंडियन नेवी।
तुम्हारा और सिर्फ तुम्हारा विक्रम।
देशभक्ति की आड़ में ही इज जस्ट अ ब्लडी ब्लैकमेलिंग अपॉर्चुनिस्ट।
Hello and welcome to Masco Media Movie Reviews. Two big films have clashed today on box office. First is Akshay Kumar starrer Rustom and second is Hrithik Roshan starrer Mohenjo-daro. Our audience is confused that which film they must watch, as filmmakers of both the films have kept their stakes high and both films features superstars. I, Deepak Sharma, sitting here with you, will try to minimize your confusion by analyzing both the films side by side. First, we will start with Rustom. Rustom, starring Akshay Kumar, Ileana D'Cruz, Isha Gupta, and Arjun Bajwa as the lead. This film is directed by Tinu Suresh Desai and written by Vipul K. Rawal. This film is about the pride, passion, and power. Commander Rustom Pavri of Indian Navy kills the lover of his wife, who was in an extramarital affair with him. Rest story is about, will the commander be punished or set free by the court of the law? The story is intriguing. The first half is a bit slow and patchy as it is the build-up of the story, but in the second half, real courtroom drama starts, which will impress you with the humor, emotions, and many applaudable dialogues. You may feel that humor is filled little more than required, but still you will get laughter on them. The acting by the cast is impeccable. This time you will witness Akshay Kumar doing stunts with his dialogues and mannerisms. Yes, you heard it right. The dialogue delivery of Akshay Kumar is as perfect as his stunts. The other cast has done a wonderful job. You will witness a Tom and Jerry fight between the judge and the lawyer. You may find it a bit absurd that a highly reputed lawyer is acting like a joker. Apart from that, when we come to technicalities of the film, the cinematography of the film is really nice. The music of the film is already a hit, but you will not find music videos in the film. They are only the promotional videos because the makers do not like their audience to be distracted by the music videos. You will find the typical Neeraj Pandey trademark in many scenes, as he is also the co-producer of the film and he has given his inputs so that a good end product comes out. That is all for the Rustom. Now we will analyze Mohenjo-daro and at the end we will compare both the films. Mohenjo-daro, starring Hrithik Roshan and Pooja Hegde, is set in the ancient Indus Valley civilization. Writer-director Ashutosh Gowarikar has given his best efforts to visualize the city of Mohenjo-daro. All the details that we have read in our textbooks, from trade routes, perpendicular roads, and measuring equipment, all the details are included in the film so that a better visual appeal for the history can come out. Apart from that, the film lacks in substance. A poor indigo farmer, Sarna, comes to Mohenjo-daro, where he falls in love with the princess Chandni. A twist comes and the love story takes the leap and it becomes a revenge story. The acting by Hrithik Roshan with his ancient Greek god looks is great. His dance and stunts are picture perfect as always. The debutant Pooja Hegde has also done justice with his character. The other characters have also done a fair job. This film is a visual treat. The historians will definitely love it. The music is composed by A.R. Rahman and we can never doubt his credentials. The last 20 minutes climax will definitely impress you by its cinematography and its visual appeal. The work done by Ashutosh Gowarikar as a director is great, and Hrithik Roshan has also given his 3 years to develop this character and bring out a good film. So, this film only lacks in the content because it becomes a typical Bollywood drama which many of us do not like nowadays. Let's compare Rustom and Mohenjo-daro. The Rustom is released on a perfect timing. It has released near Independence Day. The people are filled with patriotism. And Akshay Kumar has already impressed with his patriotic films like Holiday, Baby and Airlift. So, The film is also for all type of audience. Means you will find everything included in this film. May it be humor, suspense, acting, or a good background score. But when we talk about Mohenjo-daro, we find that all types of audience will not be able to relate with this, because a part of history is taken and a fiction is imposed on that. Now, the film will be liked by the people who are fascinated by the history. The historians will like it. The details highlighted about the Mohenjo-daro city is perfect and you will definitely like it. But when we talk about the story, it becomes a typical Bollywood masala film which we have been watching since years. So those people who goes for the content, they will miss something. But if you are a person who likes history, who likes grand VFX, who likes grand music, who likes grand sets, you should go for Mohenjo-daro. Both the films are good, but it depends on your taste, which one you want to watch and which not. On our critics meter, we rate Rustam 4 and Mohenjo-daro 3.5 because it will be difficult for Mohenjo-daro to attract the audience from all sections. That's all for today. If you liked this review, hit the like button, give your views in comment box. We will meet next time with a new film with new adventures. Till then, bye bye.